And yun, ang dami kong pangarap, ano, pag nakarating ako, bakit hindi? Claim na natin ang Best Actress Award. Why not? It's true. Ay, sure, it's a little. Okay.
Just a follow-up, kasi this is a new production, so did they tell you what can we expect from the new production?
Masayban?
Yes.
I heard from Miss Leia Salonga maraming changes sa music, sa lyrics. Yun lang po yung sa ngayon. And meron additional songs din. So,
because there's a helicopter scene sa theater.
yes.
Did they improve on that? I mean, like,
I don't know yet. Wala pa po sila sasabi. Sa music pa lang. Alam ko po.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Edsel. Jude, thank you also. We have Joyce Jimenez from... Joyce Jimenez. Sorry, hindi po yung artista. Nag-react dito sa site.
Paisip ako.
Akala mo na naging vlogger na si Joyce Jimenez. So, Joyce Jimenez from philstar.com.
Hi. Hi, Joyce. One question lang naman. Since nandun ka na rin, pupunta ka na rin naman ng London, parang start na ba to? Or do you have plans of pursuing an international career?
Alam mo sa ngayon, I don't know what's gonna happen after that. You know, I just wanna focus on my Saigon, kung ano yung role ko doon, Gigi. Siguro after yun, dun ko, pag nandoon na ako, no, at pag nag-run na yun, dun ko siguro makikita at mararamdaman kung saan yung next step na dapat kong tahakin. So sa ngayon, wala, hindi ko pa alam. I'm sure mag-enjoy ako doing musicals. But let's see what's gonna happen after that. Thank you, Joyce.
Thank you, Joyce. Meron pa po dito sa likod. We have some other questions dito kay Sir Jojo. Here. Sir Edsel.
One last question.
Well, this is Sir Edsel.
What kind of gadget do you use pala? Tablet or a
Samsung S4. Just cell phone. I don't
Just a
have
phone.
iPad or...
Sorry.
Okay, we'll have our last 3 questions, guys. So, here na lang po sa inyo.
Hi, I'm here for I'm John. I just want to ask you, this is actually a stint for a year or
Yes.
more. Who will be leaving your family here?
Yep.
Are they coping already? Or what did you talk about after you got the role?
Well, my family is very supportive of me. They're very supportive sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. And I'm sure, ma-homesick ako for the first few months. But they're gonna go there to visit me and to watch the show. Pero naiintindihan naman nila yung trabaho ko. And para na naman sa akin to, sabi ko nga kanina, siguro yung purpose ito is for me to grow as a person and as an artist. And yeah, I think they're proud of me. I think, no mama, proud naman sila. And yeah, I'm thankful dahil sila yung family ko talaga na sinusuportan nila ako sa lahat ng decision na ginagawa.
Does your management have any plans right after you do the state of shows in London? When you get back, do you already have like a series of concerts planned?
For now kasi, kakatapos ko lang po dun sa management ko and Viva management. But, you know, I'm very thankful with Viva dahil sa 10 taon na pinagsamahan ko na, napakadami. Sa ngayon po, wala po muna eh. I'll be alone, all by myself when I go to London. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Baka concert pagbalik, you know, wala pa rin naman pong napag-uusapan.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shane, may question lang kay Sir Edsel, pero ako na lang no magtatanong. Oo, kasi...
I love
kasi
Edsel.
since Steeler na daw siya. Pinapatanong lang nila, actually ng marami, kung alam mo na raw ba kung kailan ka aalis?
Dapat po first week of March, because we'll be, on March 10 kasi, we're gonna start rehearsing. But, I got an email from Saigon the other day. Tinatanong nila po kung pwede akong mas maaga umalis. So, yes, kasi parang on March 2, magkakaroon sila ng benefit show. Gusto po yata nilang i-introduce po ako at saka yung Kim, si Eva Ivanov Lazada, sa Filipino community. Tapos parang yung